Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Zill Skill, the only one destination to explore and discover lots of kids' activities and hobby. So today we are going to make a beautiful craft, which is the dancing doll. It's very easy to make. So I will be guiding you step by step how to make this dancing doll. So for the dancing doll craft, we need these circles. The pink circles because I'm going for a pink color. So this circle is 8 centimeter to 9 centimeter. You can go for. So this is 8 centimeter and we need 12 of these circles. And then for the t-shirt of the doll, I'm taking the green color. All right. You can go with any color combination. You can take up with blue and pink. You can take up with blue, with orange, any of your choice. All right. So this is 7 centimeter in the length and this is 2 centimeter from the width. Okay. And we are going to make the arms as well of the doll. If you can see the cute arms. So this is 3 centimeter from the length. And again, this is 2 centimeter from the width. Okay. Then for the hair of our cute little doll, we will go with a very light brown color. Okay. So this is 6 centimeter length and 3 centimeters width. So make sure your t-shirt is going to be little in width. It has to be little less as compared to the hair. Okay. So that's why this is 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter from the width. Then for the face, I'm going for a very light yellow color. You can take up orange as well. All right. And then we need sketch pen for her cute little face. You can see the eyes, the face, the lips. So for that, and then for the hair, we need a brown. So we just need red, brown, and black, and we need a pencil. So for this craft, I am going to use a Fevistick as well, because that would be more convenient. And I'm keeping a Fevicol too with me, along with this. Okay, then obviously you need a scale. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to work with the dress of a cute little doll because this will take a little time. So all you have to do is fold this like this. Okay. So 4 folds. So let's just fold all first. Let us segregate this because this is 12 circles. So we can have 6 here and 6 here. Okay. So we can segregate it. Okay. So here we go. Now we have to fix it. Okay, so here we're going to put the Fevicol or a stick, whatever you want to take, and we have to fix it. Okay, so right here, all of them on one side, I'm going to apply it and then just press it. Okay, but once you're going to press this, we have to make a little bit popping. So just with your finger or with a pencil, whatever you feel, right? You can just do a little bit of popping. Okay. And make sure it's get fixed. A little bit of popping. as we are making a like this. Okay, little bit popped out. So let's work for the second one now. Now we have to fix on top of, so 6 here, 6 here. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm going to fix it here. Okay, so right here. Okay, press it and fix here. And then you can just press it. There we go. Okay, so it's almost done. So let me just try a little bit opening up. Very, very careful. Okay, very careful. Okay, little bit popping. You have to do it with your hand. Okay. There we go. All right. Slowly and slowly. Okay, like this. Now let us work on the face. Okay, so we have to take about just 1 centimeter in turn. Have to fix the face here. This is a kind of a hair of a doll, like this. Okay, but don't put the Fevicol or stick here. Okay, so I want to fix this with the Fevistick, but on the top. Okay, so I'm just putting it half and I'm pressing it a little down here and then here on top. See, this is just 1 centimeter. Okay, so I will be fixing this also. Okay, apply it here and if you can see it. I haven't fixed it here because we need to add the t-shirt. So now I need to cut a little bit of here. This is here. So just give a little bit semi look like here. Okay. Just from here also. So I'm going to apply a little bit here. That is, again, is going to be for the dress. So like here. And let's see how in it can go. All right, this is little coming up, so I'm just going to fix it more. All right. Now these are going to be the arms. So let me just press it and cut it. Okay. So let's apply a Fevicol. We just need a little bit, one drop. We just need to pop it out, right? So right here, so it's going to pop out. There we go. And now I can fix the face because we have done it. So I can put one drop here and I can just normally just fix this face so that it doesn't come out like this. See. Okay, so our face is also ready. So now we just have to give a little bit of the hair and the eyes. Okay, so let me just work on her eyes. Okay, so a kind of a sleeping line. Let me just do it here and then I'll show it to you. Okay. Just 2 sleeping lines and I'm just giving it little bit standing line. That's it, I did. And then the nose. Okay. And I'm going to give it a smiley. Smiley face to a doll with a cute, chubby cheeks. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, side by side. And now we're going to work on her hair. So that's all up to you, the way you want her hair to be. Okay. So why I'm turning it, because then so that I can do it properly and then I can show you. So this is one, and then I'm giving a little bit fringes like a here. Then you have the faces ready. Okay. So now we just all have to do is fix it. So now here I'm going to apply a Fevicol so that I can fix a doll. Okay. Here on the back. Okay. Just right here. Okay. And now I have to fix it here. Okay. So my dancing doll will be ready. So just apply Fevicol on the both side. Okay, let me turn around and show it to you. My dancing doll is ready. Can you see this beautiful dancing doll? So my dancing doll is ready for you. So, okay, here we go. So this is the cute little doll ready for you, and this was the right there for me, the red one. So now I'm having 2 dolls. So all the best. Enjoy this beautiful dancing doll craft. It is very easy, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Enjoy the craft. Bye-bye.